In this video, we will show you how to generate text-to-speech audio within a VTMS job. Once you have prepared the transcription and translation on VTMS, you can start generating text-to-speech audio on the voiceover page. Click on Text-to-Speech, and you might see a message indicating that the current target language is not supported. This could be because the language is indeed not supported by our platform, or the target language for this job has not been set. To resolve this, go back to the job settings, update the target language, and then return to the job. Click on Text-to-Speech again, and you'll see a list of available voices. Click on Sample to hear the first segment.
Qu'est-ce que le PIB?
Qu'est-ce que le PIB?
Select your preferred voice and click on Generate TTS. All the audio clips will be generated. You can check the text-to-speech audio by clicking on Play VoiceOver.
Qu'est-ce que le PIB? Vous avez probablement entendu ce terme dans les discussions économiques, mais que signifie-t-il réellement?
If you are unhappy with the voice, you can either go to Manage VoiceOver and select Erase all voiceovers to clear all audio clips, or erase the audio on a segment level. Alternatively, you can generate new text-to-speech audio individually for each segment by clicking on Get TTS. Here, you can choose a voice and generate an audio clip for that specific segment.
Qu'est-ce que le PIB?
That's it for a quick rundown on how to generate text-to-speech audio in a VTMS job. Thank you for watching.